This is a quick demo for my Engineering 8 class on how to do their flashing light project case. So the first thing you're going to do is start up Adobe Illustrator, which I've done already. And then you're going to go to File, Open, and you're going to go to the network, to the K drive, which is Assignments. And from there, you're going to scroll down to Electronics Lab. Then you're going to find Engineering 8. And then you're going to find the Flashing Lights Case Design Front. It should only be the only file there, right? Double click it, and up it will come. Now all you see on the screen right now is a box and two circles, okay? And the reason why they're in red is the laser engraver needs to either cut or engrave based on color. So red is a cutting color. Black is going to be an engraving color. So red will cut out the plastic, black will simply frost the front of the plastic, okay? So what I'm going to do now is, there's not much to do here. I've got the two holes, I can put them anywhere I want, so I just click on them and I move them, okay? And I'll move these off to the side for right now, because I'm going to put a graphic in here. Now to find a graphic, I go to the internet, and I'm using Google Chrome here, okay? So I'm just going to go to Google, and I'm going to type in, I'm going to use Darth Vader. So I'll type in Darth Vader, and I'm going to go up here to Images. And the thing is, the laser engraver does black and white basically. So I can't use colors on here. So what I'm going to do is refine the search a bit. So I'm going to go down to Search Tools, and instead of any color, I'm going to say black and white, and instead of any type, I'm going to say clip art, because clip art will work a lot better. And now I have basically black and white and clip art things. Now I'm going to scroll down, and I don't know, which one do I like? Oh, there we go. I like this one. Okay, so I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to click on it again, and what's going to happen is I can, oops, I'm going to go back one. I can basically, sorry, right here at the image, I can right mouse click, and I can go copy image. Okay, so I'm going to copy it. Now I'm going to go back to Adobe Illustrator, and I'm actually going to go to View, so you can see this, and go Fit Artboard in Window. What that does is puts the whole sheet there. So that's the actual size of the laser engraver bed. Now, I'm going to press Control V, or I'm going to paste it in. So Control V it, paste it, and there's the size. Now obviously that's bigger than the space that I need. So I can just take it, and I can shrink it down. Okay, so all I've done is grab one of the handles in the corner. Then I can just grab anywhere and I can move it. And I'm just going to make it a bit smaller for right now. And I'm going to move it into here, and watch what happens is I can just center it like that. Okay, I can now zoom in. So zoom right there. And I can just zoom into the area that I'm going to work at. Up here, there's a select tool. And I'm going to click on it and just drag it up to the corner. You can see little green things. They're actually snapping in place. Okay, so it snaps in place, and it snaps in place. Now, you notice the red is barely there. Okay, what happens is when you put graphics in, they go in as layers. Okay, so one can go in front of the other. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to click on the Darth Vader, right mouse click on it. I'm going to go to Arrange, and I'm going to send to back. So what that does is puts it to the very back, and therefore when I move, the red lines now appear. And those red lines are important. If the red line's not there, it won't cut in the laser engraver. Okay. Now I'm just going to take my circles for my eyeballs, which are the LEDs, and I'm going to put that one, let's put it right in there, and I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to put it right in there. And you can see the little green line show up. That green line just says that they're parallel. Okay. So I put those two like that. Now, they're there, okay? Maybe I got to, again, I'm going to take this, and I'm going to right mouse click, Arrange, Send to back. And the red lines, do you see the red actually in there? Yeah, they're there. Okay? Now, that's all I really need to do. Okay? Now, to confirm if everything works, I can go up to File. I go down to Print. Okay? Now, I go under Printers. It's going to be called Laser Engraver. Mine's just called VLS 3.5, okay? But it will be called Laser Engraver. And then you just hit Print, okay? And it disappears. Okay? It doesn't print anywhere yet. What it has to do is go to some special software. So down here where it says Show Hide Icons, you go to this guy, which is Universal Laser Systems. You click on it, and now I have my Darth Vader with the red all in the Laser Engraver software. Okay? Now, I'm going to stop right there, and then when I go, when somebody's ready, I'll actually do a demo on how to actually print this out on the Laser Engraver, because there's a few other settings. Okay? But that is just how to actually get from Adobe Illustrator an image from the internet, lay it all out, set it up, bring it to this program. Okay? And I'm going to stop right there.